The microphone. I will explain. 9.3. Identify the like term. Like term means same variable, same power. Their coefficient may be different. For like term, the coefficient may be different. The coefficient may be different, but the variable and its power will be same. For like term, the coefficient may be different. Good morning. For like term, the variable may be the coefficient may be different, but the variable and its power will be same. So you write down all this question. Like term, what we will do? We will underline. हाँ 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 yes. No. It is by there is misprinting. There is misprinting in the textbook. There is misprinting in the question. Last one is 1 upon 3 a square. 1 upon 3 is not printed. You write 1 upon 3 a square. Leave 3 pages. No need to leave page. No need to leave line. We will underline. We will underline the like term. That's all. No need to write them separately. We will underline the like terms. We will underline the like terms. Let us see. Let us see first one. A. What are the variable in first? A, B, C, A. The variables are A, B, C, A. Now see the power of A. What is power of A? 2. Then my dear board. See, next time if you will speak like that, I will definitely remove you for 3 periods. If the way of speaking you will not change, then definitely you will be out of this class for 2 periods. Board is extremely clear, and you have to. No. For you it will not be clear, but for other it is very much clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. Yes. Now like term means same variable, same power. So first, A, there is any other variable A? Yes, there A is there. What is power of A? 2. What is power of A? 2. So these two are like variable. A square, underline this, A square and 1 upon 3 A square, they are like variable. Their coefficient may be different, but the variable and its power must be same. The variable and its power will be, so A square. 1 upon A square and 1 upon 3 A square, they are like terms, because the variable is A. What is power of A? 2. What is power of A? 2. What is power of next? 2. So the powers. See. For example, B and C, they are different variables, so they will be unlike terms. But what are the like terms? Question is identify the like terms in the following. So A square and 1 upon 3 A square. A square and 1 upon 3 A square you underline. Now B, it is x comma. Power must be same, variable must be same. Variable must be same, their power must be same. Coefficient may be different. Now B, x, 2y, z, 3x. What are the variable? X, y, z, x. X, what is power of x? 1. What is power of x? 1. So x and 3x, you will underline x and 3x. 1. If there is no power, means 1 power. So they are like terms. That is what I have explained. No, y and z, they are unlike term, because variables are different. No, variables are different means they are unlike term. Now All of you mute the microphone and only you will listen. All of you mute the microphone. Now next, you are not listening what I am explaining. Power of x is 1, then power of x is 1. So x and 3x, they are like term. Next, minus 4pq. What you are not understanding? Like term means, like term means same variable, same power. Same variable, same power. Same variable, same power. So x and x, no, my dear, no. Z and y, they are unlike term because variables are different. Variable A1, now all of you, no, I will not give respond to anybody. All of you have to mute the microphone and listen what I am telling. Like term means same variable, same power, same alphabet and same power. What is power of A? 2. B, different variable. C, different variable. Again A is there. But what is power of A? 2. So A square and 1 upon 3 A square, they are like term. Their coefficient may be different. Coefficient of this A square is 1 upon 3. Coefficient of this A square is 1. Coefficient may be different. But the variable and its power must be same. Same variable, same power. Like term. What is variable x? Power 1. What is variable x? Power 1. Same variable, same power. Okay. Now minus 4 pq. Minus 4 pq. The way, what you did not understand, I am telling you. You see the variable. See the variable means see the alphabet. See the alphabet and its power. If the alphabet and its power are same, means they are like term. What is power of A? Variable is A. Power of A 2. What is power of A? 2. So they are like terms. What is power of x? 1. What is power of x? 1. Y and z, they are different variable. Different variable means unlike term. So x and 3x, they are like terms. Next, minus 4 pq. Variables are pq. P. 2i. 2pq. No, 2pq and qpr. So which two variables are same? PQ. So they are same. What is power of P? 1. What is power of Q? 1. Power of P? 1. Power of Q? 1. So minus 4PQ and 2PQ, they are like terms because they contain same variable and same power. This P is there but Q is not there. There P is there, Q is there, but R is also there, no? So only same variable and same power. P variable, Q variable, power of P1, power of P1, power of Q1, power of Q1. So they are like terms. Next, 2 L square M square N, L square M N, 4 L M N square M L square N. Now see this. Which are like terms? 1 minute. What is power of L? 2. Power of L 2. Power of L 2. Power of M 2. Power of M 1. So these two are not like. Power of M 1. So these two are like. Then N, power of N 1, power of N 1, power of N 1. So L square, M, N, N. So these two are like terms. L square Mn and M L square N. You can write the variable in any order. So these two are like terms. You have to see the same variable and same power. L square M square N. There is power of L is 2, M is 2. Here power of M is 1. So does not matter. See here. The variable may not be there in the sequence, but what is important? The variable and their power must be same. What is power of L? 1 minute. What is power of L? 2. Power of L 2. power of m 1, power of m 1, power of n 1, 1, 1. So these two are like terms. Next e, wait, e minus 13xy, xy, xz, yx, xy and yx they are same, zx. So which are like terms? xy, xy. So these two are like terms. These two are like terms. These two are like terms. But xz, xz they are also like term. xz, what is power of x1, power of z1, power of x1, power of z1? So let it be yx is same as xy. In mathematics, yx is same as xy. The variable can be in any order. So you have to see the variable x, x power is 1, y power is 1. Then x, x power is 1, z, z power is 1. So these two are like. So you have to, there are two like terms. There are two like terms. For these two like terms, I will draw one underline. For these two like terms, I will draw two underlines. 7xz and underline this. Yes. These two double underline, these two single underline. These two single line. Because my dear, wait. Now next is f minus p, 2q, 5p, qr and p. You have to see the p, where, No, my dear, see this. What is variable p, p, p? What is power of p? 1, 1, 1. So these three are like terms. So let it be. Coefficient may be different. Yes, ask the doubt. Mute the microphone, all of you. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Minus, I have told you coefficient may be different. What is coefficient of p? Yes, ask the doubt. 7xz and 5zx, they are like terms. Then second like term is minus 13xy and yx. xy, yx, like term. xz, zx, they are like term. F question, coefficient of p is minus 1, but variable power of p is 1. Power of p is 1, power of p is 1, power of p is 1. Coefficient may be different. But the variable and its power are same, means like term. Then G, phi L square m square n, L cube m square n, n cube m L cube, m2 L cube n. See, which power of L is 2? Anywhere 2 is there? No. Power of L is 3. Wait, L is 3. Power of m is 2. M is there. Then power of n is 1. Power of n is 1. 1, 1. So, then there is, see, my dear, in G, there is no like term. G, it is very much clear. G, there is no like term, because see, power of L is 2, then power of L is 3, power of m is 2, m is 1, so they are not like. Then power of n is 1, power of n is 3. So none of these, in this none of these is like term. None. And none. You will write none means none of these are like terms. 9R, 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 9R. Yes. Yes. Because, yes, totally unlike, because for, mute the microphone, because for like term, the variable should be same and their power should be same. If there are 3 variables in first, there should be 3 variables in second. Then second, the power of each in first should be same as the second. How many variables are there? That many of variables should be there in the like term, and their power should also be same. If 2 are same, third is different, then also they are unlike term. All the variable and their power should be. G answer is none. N-O-N-E, none. Then H, 7a square b square, 9a square b, 3abc. No, my dear, it is no. It is there. What is no? What is power of a? 2. Power of a 2. Power of b 1. Power of a 2. Power of b 1. So these two are like terms. Power of a 2 b 1. A 2 b 1. So these two are like terms. Coefficient may be different. You can write AB as same as BA. AB is, yes. Only the way you have to see the variable answer for F is minus P, 5P and P. H answer is minus 9a square b and 2ba square. They are like terms. Because the variable, you have to see the variable and their power. If the variable and their power are same, then they are like term. Forget about their coefficient and their order. They may not be in the order. Their coefficient may be different. But for like term only we focus on the variable and its power. If the variable and its power are same, means they are like terms. For like terms, the variable and its power should be same. Then 5, write the algebraic expression whose terms are. Write the algebraic expression. Write the algebraic expression whose terms are first A. Yesterday we have separated terms from the algebraic expression. Now today we are going to write the expression from the terms. We are given the terms. Yes, it is very much clear, right? So that so 3x comma 9y, comma minus 7z. Yesterday we have seen expression means body and part. You have to just join them. You will get the algebraic expression. These are the parts. If you are given hand, if you are given leg, you are given head, you are given stomach, join all these, you will get the body. Body is same as expression. So this will be 3x. Then no sign means plus sign. 3x plus 9y, then minus 7z. This is the answer. This is your expression. 3x plus 9y minus 7z. Yes. remove the comma means you join them. You join them. No sign means plus sign. No sign means plus sign. Yes. Ask. No sign means it is. So I have written plus sign. Arey my dear, I have written plus. No, when I have removed the comma, I have written plus. When I have removed the comma, I have written plus. No. No sign means plus sign. Yes. Yes. Then when I have removed the comma, I have written minus. Minus 7z. Now b, phi a square b. Phi a square b minus phi a square b comma minus 2 ab square, then comma minus 7. So phi a square b, here will remove comma, phi a square b, then minus 2ab square, then minus 7. This is the answer. So whenever you will remove the comma, if there is no sign means it is plus sign. If there is minus sign you will take as it is. But if there is no sign, B1 it is simple. You remove the comma. And write them. Then P, C is P, comma minus Q, comma minus R, comma P, comma minus Q, comma minus R, comma minus 3. So just write P, then remove the comma, minus sign, minus Q, remove the comma, minus sign, R, remove the comma, minus. So P minus Q minus R minus 3. Then D 3x comma y, comma minus z, comma minus 4xyz, comma minus 4. So this I will write 3x, then remove the comma, no sign means plus sign, plus y, then minus z, minus no, minus 4 is there in the okay. Y comma is minus, last it is plus 4, last it is only 4, so I will write plus 4. No sign means plus sign. B. Did I ask the answer? You write the answer. Minus A, comma minus B, comma C, comma R. See my dear, I have to teach the whole class, not one student. So I have to speak in general. So please take care of that. If I will say, please don't say in between. Don't get in a wrong way, because I have to teach the whole class. So minus A, then minus B, then plus C, plus R. Minus A, minus B, plus C, plus R. It is very much clear, right? Then F. Separate the terms means, because my dear, no sign is there. No sign is there. No sign means plus sign. Then F. Mute the microphone. F 2x, 8y, minus 9. Mute the microphone. So that will be 2x. No sign means plus sign, plus 8y, then minus 9. This is the answer. So from terms, we have written the algebraic expression, and yesterday from algebraic expression we have separated the terms. So both way we have done. From, yes, 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 yes. So we have done both the part. From the parts, how to make the body, and from body, how to separate the parts. Both way we have done. Now, sixth one, state the number of terms in the following. State the number of terms. No. State the number of terms. State the number of terms. State the number of terms in the following. State the number of terms in the following. You have to count how many terms are there. You have to separate the terms from the expression. Now first A, it is 4x minus y. 4x minus y. Two terms are there. Yes. How many terms are there? Two terms. So we write 4x, then comma, minus y, and the answer is two terms. Answer is two terms. Yes, it is a binomial. Very good. Who said binomial? Huh? Very good. Very good. We have gone one step. Because my dear, you can count how many terms are there. 4x is one term, minus y is second term. So how many terms are there? Two terms. Yes. Two terms are there. So whenever any expression has two terms means, my dear, first you focus on this, no? Second, 3a plus 5b minus 7. 3a plus 5b, 3a plus, my dear, you have to write how many terms are there. How many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? Three terms. So you will write the terms. You will write 3a, 3a comma 5 upon b, comma minus 7. How many terms are there? Three terms. So you will 3 underline. Three terms are there. Then C, 2x, no wait, 2x plus 2x plus y minus 3 upon y. 2x plus y minus 3 upon y. So, wait. It is not binomial, my dear. See here. It is not binomial. How see? Wait. This you will write 2x plus. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now y minus 3 upon y. Who is doing that? Who is doing that? You just give me the name. Pratham Patel. I will take action against you next time. Y minus 3 upon y minus 3 upon y. Y minus 3. A minus, this rule you have to remember. This rule you have to remember. A minus b upon c. A minus b upon c. I can write a upon c minus b upon c. This rule you have to remember. A minus b whole divided by c. I can write a upon c minus b upon c. So y minus 3 upon y. I can write y upon y minus 3 upon y. By this rule. By this rule, a minus b upon c, I can write a upon c minus b upon c. Now y upon y and y get cancelled. Y and y get cancelled. What is left? 1. Right. Write down this. That is what, my dear. That is what, my dear, I am explaining. No. You see this formula, a minus b divided by c is a upon c minus b upon c. So y minus 3 upon y, right, y minus 3 upon, write down this, y upon y minus 3 upon y upon y get cancelled, 1 is left. So finally it is 2x. My dear, you have applied the formula, no? A minus b upon c will be a by c minus b upon c. So a minus b upon c will be a upon c minus b upon c. This formula, no? plus 1 minus, so minus 3 upon y. So this expression I have converted in this form. So what are the terms? What are the terms now? 2x, then 1, then minus 3 upon y. There are 3 terms. There are 3 terms. Everything you have to write, everything. Then d, p minus q minus r, p minus q minus r, minus 4. How many terms are there? So p, then minus q, then minus r, then minus 4. How many terms are there? 4 terms. It is multinomial. E is phi lmn. Phi lmn. How many terms are there? One term. It is one term. See here. One term. Because there is multiplication. There is multiplication means one term. So it is one term. It is one term. Then f, a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, minus 2ab, minus 2bc, minus 2ca, minus 2ca. How many terms are there? Now how many terms are there? Answer of E is 1. Answer of E is 1. What are the terms of this? You have to separate the terms. So you have to write down the terms. The terms are a square, comma b square, comma c square, comma minus 2ab, comma minus 2bc, comma minus 2ca. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there. 6 terms. 6 terms are there. D1, what is there to understand? P minus Q minus R and minus 4. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. Multinomial. Binomial. 3 terms means 6 term means more than a multinomial, because more than 3. More than 3 means one term, because that is multinomial. More than 3 terms, all are known as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all are known as multinomial. So this is multinomial. This is multinomial. Is it clear? This is multinomial. So this complete 9.3. Now let me give you one question for practice. Separate the term. Separate. Or you can do one thing. Identify the like terms. Start. Identify like terms. Notebook. Identify like terms. Identify like terms. Do it. AB. Then BC, minus 3BA, then B square C, then A square B, then second MN minus MN minus MN, then N square L, then NL square, then M square N, then Mn square, then minus Nm. Identify the like term. Identify the like terms in these. Now what is the answer of first? Minus 3BA. Very good, very good. They are like terms. Do it. No, we have time, no, my dear. We have time. 2 minutes. One minute. 1 minute is sufficient. Write down third one also. Third one also. A cube. A cube, B cube. Then AB square. Then A square B. Then minus 7AB square. 7AB minus 8B square A. Then 5AB third is there. Minus 11BA square. Identify the like term. बस. Identify the like term in third. सेकंड आंसर बोलो. Yes. AB and minus 3BA, then minus MN and minus NM. They are like terms. Now go for third one. Practice test. Go for third one. Do third one. Chalo. What is the answer first? Yes. Very good. And this is also there, no? A square B and B A square, they are also like term. A square B, 3 line, then minus 11. 3 sums are there. A square B and minus 11 B square, they are also like term. So this complete exercise 9.3. This complete exercise 9.3.